about to give them what they want.
Go Beastmode, dude.
I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. Say hey, Rookie. Yeah, hitting Starbucks for a snack. Decide to vlog a little bit. Let's get it. Right, cheers. Bill. All right, so check it out, fam. Here's my breakfast. See to wake up. Got some oatmeal. Keep in mind, fam, it's my refeed / cheat day. So keep that in mind. I typically carb cycle throughout the week. Fly on me. I do my macros throughout the week with carb cycling, and I'll have my cheat days typically on Sundays or Saturday. Hold on.
They know your schedule on it.
So here we go, fam. Got some dried fruit right here. Oh yeah, yes.
I like how they still serve oatmeal throughout the day.
Man, a lot of I hop top serving oatmeal. These out here.
Yeah. And you got some blueberries too.
Oh yeah, it's going down. This workout gonna be stupid today. I got Delson traps today, guys. Got some blueberries. I like this. I might come in and Starbucks with you more often. I be teasing Denise about going to Starbucks. It's kind of cool, nice little vibe here.
Just a little vibe.
Okay. And I got these egg white bites. Okay, egg white bites. So here's my little snack. And ooh, get some nuts, man. This is a nice little snack. Yes. Okay, guys.
All right, guys. So what me and Brookie got? I got a croissant. I also got egg white bites. What you get, Brookie?
I got
Show 'em.
chocolate croissant
You got a chocolate croissant
Pull it out. Show them how it looks, Brookie.
and an egg white.
egg whites. Let's see the chocolate croissant. Ooh, yummy, yummy.
Here it is, fam. Oh shit. All right. So here it is, fam. Just gonna give it a little taste test. Fully loaded oatmeal. Fully loaded. Yeah. All right, fam. Gotta get this workout in. Doing Delson traps. Hey, be sure to get my bro split program. I got push pull leg. You know, whatever you guys need. I've been on the bro split. It fits my schedule perfectly, and as you see, it keeps me together. It keeps me tight. Bam.
Come on. Come on. One more. There you go.
All right, fam, gonna finish up. This is a great workout so far, great workout. Gonna finish up with some upright rows for the hoes to get up out of here. Getting a little hungry, guys. Before starting, we're getting that spine nice and erect. Okay? Upright. Keep going, right? 5 more. Again. Hey guys. So we finished training. Gonna have a little snack here. They got a place called Life Cafe right inside the gym. All right, so check it out. Got me a protein shake right here. 2 scoops of protein. I got some vanilla protein powder, pineapple and strawberry. Now they should get some peach cobbler GAF way up in here, but this would do. All right, fam, they brought our food out. What you got, Brookie?
I got some pizza.
I see you, girl. A little pizza with some ranch.
Yeah.
Tex-Mex salad with chicken, rice, beans,
It was
corn.
good. A little Tex-Mex. How it tastes?
I don't know. I haven't tasted it
Oh,
yet.
you might get the Tex-Mex salad, right?
Yeah.
All right. What do you think?
A 7.
Oh, okay, that's not bad at all. So check it out, fam. I got double chicken. This is a power bowl, by the way. I got double chicken, Santa Fe rice with some spinach.
Rare?
Under the love to love me, she's something like a friend. Call her my buddy, even though she got a man.
All right, fam. So I'm home. Been watching a little TV. Denise and Brooke are still napping, and I'm getting a little hungry. So I'm making me a burger bowl. I got my lean beef right here. Onions, okay. Do some onions. Now keep in mind, I had protein shake and chicken at the gym. This is a whole pound of lean beef, and I had a little protein at Starbucks. This is gonna give me enough protein, okay? Keep in mind, this is my cheat day / refeed day. All right, so here's my burger bowl right here, okay? Also, if you're cutting, this is a nice low carb snack right here, okay? Low carb meal. So, got the burger bowl. Just type in Chris Jones burger bowl video if you happen to give a fuck, all right? It'll show you how to make it. And I'm gonna have some rice cakes. These are the white cheddar rice cakes. If you like white cheddar popcorn, this right here is a nice treat. GAF, I like these right here, okay? So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna do a couple of 30-minute calls. Long story short, fam, you know, I've done some podcasts, some non-fitness related podcasts, like Real Life Street Stars, Nick Zai. I was even on Fresh and Fit, and let me just tell you, being on those type of podcasts gives me a lot of DMs that are not fitness related. So this past couple of years, I've been doing 30-minute phone calls. You know, it's kind of like Ask Beast Mode, but people ask me fitness questions. You know, talking about a wide range of things. Some people just want some honest feedback, unbiased, backed by the numbers. So yeah, I'm about to do a couple calls and get up out of here.
I don't want to be doing this shit for the rest of my life. It makes me feel like fucking miserable, fucking useless, and terrible fucking asking people for other shit and trying to like survive each day and
Do you
not
know?
being able to live.
You know how on a treadmill you can put it at its fastest speed, right?
Yeah.
Now think to yourself, how long can you keep that up before you have to stop? So you would agree the way you're living right now is like the equivalent of running on the treadmill as fast as you can nonstop with no break, because it sounds like you're reaching that breaking point, like you had enough of this shit.
I've been feeling that way for about a month or two, and
Let me ask you a question though, before I want to cut you off. All right, what do you think it would take to bring you down to a cruise control? You know, at a steady pace you can actually keep up without gassing out. You ain't got no kids. It's crazy. You ain't got no kids. No kids, man. Look, keep your meals fucking simple. Hang out with them girls, drinking all the time. Save up. Okay?
yeah.
Hell. Have wine at the house. Fuck that. They can come over and have some wine. They ain't gotta go out overspend because you're in savings mode. You're in kind of like I be in bulk season. You know how I be in my bulk season? This is fucking grind season. You're probably gonna have to save up for 6 months straight to get out of the little hole. It's just like dieting. It's just like dieting. It's a different kind of energy. Money's energy. We need a surplus of money. So spend all your money on necessities, just bills, groceries, bare minimum. A little bit of entertainment, and then the rest saved. So check it out, fam. I'm about to have me a little yogurt snack, a little yogurt pop. I'll show you what it look like. These right here hit the spot. Okay, knock out 2 of these. Denise is feeling like pizza tonight. We're about to order some pizza. I'm gonna show you that when it comes. It'll probably be here about an hour or so. Bam. Don't forget, fam, go to tigerfitness.com and get your palm chaser subs. Get that GF Whey, peach cobbler flavor. Got my creatine and everything else we got. Head on down now. Okay? So check it out, fam. We expecting gas. You got anything pieces? Bam! Oh, you gave Brick one of mine, huh?
I gave him
Okay.
a little
So I used to get pineapple, pepperoni, and chicken. I want to try something different. I got hamburger, pepperoni, sausage, onion, and olives. You know, use a little ranch dip, okay? You got pepperoni right here.
I'm boring.
All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy hanging with me. Don't forget, go to beastmode316.com. I've been on the Bro Split program, so if you want to try that program, you hit everything hard once a week. Today was shoulder and traps. I got a push-pull leg program. I also do online coaching. Head on down to beastmode316.com. Fuck with me! Fuck with me! Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy.
Hey.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.